Hey everyone! Welcome my channel. Today, reviewing a must-have kit for every car owner, which is a portable air compressor and jump starter. Whether you're stuck with a flat tire or a dead battery, these handy devices can save the day. Stay tuned as I count down the top 5 best models. Make sure you watch till the end as I reveal the best overall pick, while outlining the key features, pros, and cons of each model. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my upcoming car maintenance tips and reviews. Also, check the links in the description below for the best deals on these lifesavers. Let's get started. Number 5. YaberAuto 6000 ampere car battery jump starter with air compressor. The YaberAuto delivers a whopping 6000 amps to jumpstart even large vehicles like trucks or SUVs. With its 160 psi air compressor, it handles tire inflation with ease. A large LCD display and built-in LED lights make it user-friendly, even in the dark. From my experience, the compact design makes it perfect for small car trunks, and the powerful compressor works fast, getting you back on the road in no time. It's a great blend of performance and portability. One downside? The air compressor can be slightly noisy, but for what it offers, it's a fantastic buy. Number 4. Stanley J5C09 1000 ampere jump starter with compressor. This model combines 1000 peak amps with a reliable 120 psi compressor, giving it versatility. It also features a USB port and a built-in flashlight for added convenience. I've used the Stanley J5C09 on multiple occasions, and it's proven to be a reliable companion, especially during camping trips. The sturdy build and ease of use are its strongest points. The downside? It's slightly heavier than others on this list, but the durability more than makes up for it. Number 3. DieHard 71687 950 peak ampere jump starter. With 950 peak amps and a 150 psi compressor, the DieHard 71687 is a solid performer. It also includes a USB port and 2 power outlets for charging devices, making it highly versatile. I appreciate its compact size and multifunctionality. It's been my go-to for road trips where space is limited but reliability is crucial. Its only drawback? It's not the fastest air compressor on this list, but it's still worth every penny. Number 2. JF.Egwo 3000 ampere jump starter with air compressor. This powerful unit boasts 3000 amps and a 150 psi air compressor, along with dual USB ports and LED flashlights. It's perfect for emergencies. I've tested this during winter months, and it's a lifesaver for cold mornings when the car won't start. Plus, the dual USB ports keep your gadgets charged on long drives. The shortcoming? The compressor nozzle isn't as universal as others, but with adapters included, it's a minor inconvenience. Number 1. Schumacher SJ1332 1200 ampere portable power station. The Schumacher SJ1332 leads the pack with 1200 peak ampere, a 150 psi compressor, and multiple power outlets, including USB. Its intuitive interface and LED light make it user-friendly. In my opinion, this is the ultimate emergency tool. Its performance, build quality, and versatility are unmatched. The only con? It's on the pricier side, but its features and reliability make it a top-tier investment. And those are the top 5 portable air compressors and jump starters. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit subscribe and click the links in the description for the best deals on these amazing devices. Stay safe, stay prepared, and see you in the next video.